What's going on, everyone? Today we've got three major credit card updates you definitely need to know about. First, Chase may have just quietly downgraded one of the most popular travel cards in America. Second, there's a brand new Bitcoin credit card entering the market, and honestly, it's unlike anything we've seen before. And finally, there's currently a credit card offering a massive 100,000 point welcome bonus. But there's a catch. So let's jump straight into it. Let's start with Chase Sapphire Preferred. If you follow travel credit cards, you already know this card has been one of the most recommended mid-tier travel cards for years. It comes with a $95 annual fee, solid travel protections, transfer partners, and decent bonus categories. But now, Chase is reportedly removing one of its long-time benefits, the 10% anniversary points bonus. Now here's the thing. A lot of people never fully understood how this bonus actually worked. Even Reddit threads were filled with confusion. So let's simplify it. Basically, at the end of your card member year, Chase gives you bonus points equal to 10% of the total spending you did on the card. Sounds amazing at first, right? But in reality, it works out to roughly an extra 0.1 points per dollar spent. So if you spent $25,000 in a year, you'd receive about 2,500 bonus points. That's roughly around $25 in cashback value. Not terrible, but definitely not life-changing either. According to reports shared online, current cardholders may continue receiving the bonus until October 1st, 2026. And Chase has now reportedly confirmed that the benefit is officially being discontinued. Now, honestly, I don't think this is a disaster. Yes, losing benefits is never fun. But this wasn't the reason people got the Sapphire Preferred in the first place. The real question is this: what is Chase planning next? Because rumors are already circulating that Chase may refresh the Sapphire Preferred with new perks and updated features. And if that happens, removing this small bonus could simply be making room for something bigger. So instead of panicking, I'd say wait and see what Chase announces over the next few months. Now let's move on to something way more interesting. A brand new Bitcoin credit card has officially launched, and this one is genuinely unique. The company behind it is called Avan. Some of you may remember them from their home equity-backed credit card. Their entire business model is built around one idea: using assets as collateral so they can offer lower interest rates compared to traditional credit cards. And now they're applying that same concept to Bitcoin. Here's how it works. Instead of using your house as collateral, you use your Bitcoin holdings. That Bitcoin secures your credit line, allowing the company to offer interest rates that are significantly lower than normal credit cards. We're talking rates starting as low as 7.99%. That's extremely low by credit card standards. But of course, there's risk involved. The amount you borrow depends on your loan-to-value ratio. For example, if you own $100,000 worth of Bitcoin and open a $30,000 credit line, that's a 30% loan-to-value ratio. At lower ratios, you get lower interest rates because there's less risk for the lender. But if Bitcoin suddenly crashes, things can get dangerous very quickly. And this is where people really need to be careful. Because if your Bitcoin drops too much in value, the company can actually liquidate part of your holdings automatically. If your balance exceeds certain thresholds, they'll begin selling Bitcoin to reduce risk. And in extreme cases, they can reportedly liquidate a huge portion of your crypto to fully pay off the balance. So this is absolutely not a beginner-friendly product. But for high net worth crypto investors who don't want to sell Bitcoin and trigger capital gains taxes, this could actually become a useful financial tool. The card also offers unlimited 2% cashback on purchases, which makes it even more interesting. Again, not for everyone, but there's definitely a specific audience that will love this concept. Now finally, let's talk about that 100,000 point bonus, because this offer is honestly huge. The card is the Citi AAdvantage Executive World Elite MasterCard, American Airline's premium credit card. This card includes Admirals Club lounge access, travel perks, and multiple statement credits designed to offset the annual fee. And right now they're offering 100,000 American Airlines miles after spending $10,000 within the first 3 months. Now, yes, that spending requirement is high. You'd need to average over $3,300 per month in spending. But the value can still be incredible. American Airlines miles are surprisingly valuable because they're harder to earn compared to other airline programs. Unlike airlines partnered with Amex, Chase, or Capital One, American Airlines transfer options are extremely limited. That's why bonuses like this get attention very quickly. Depending on how you redeem the miles, this bonus could potentially be worth around $1,600 in travel value. And importantly, this appears to be a limited time offer. So if you're already considering an airline travel card and you fly American Airlines regularly, this could be worth looking into. And that's everything for today. 3 big updates. Chase removing a benefit, a Bitcoin-backed credit card entering the market, and one of the biggest airline bonuses available right now. Now I want to hear from you. Would you ever use a Bitcoin-backed credit card? Or is that way too risky for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel because we cover the latest updates in credit cards, smart banking, travel rewards, and personal finance across the US, UK, and Europe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Smart Card Europe.